Welcome to raigurukul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about how to test Notepad manually. So when we want to test the Notepad applications, you will see the launching and exiting, or it means the closing of applications should be smooth. So here I'm just typing Notepad and I can see this application is launched immediately. So if we are launching and exiting the applications which needs to be tested at the time of doing the testing. So we'll see here in detail how to test Notepad applications in detail. So if you are visiting this channel first time, please hit subscribe button and press bell icon for regular updates. And if you want to learn about testing, please watch my software testing playlist so that you will be able to learn software testing from scratch. So once we launch the Notepad application, that content should be blank if we are opening the first time. Here we have untitled item. It means the page is not saved yet. So whenever we are launching a new page or new Notepad applications, we can see untitled. If you want to see, you just click on save and provide the name and select the locations. It should always throw .txt, which we can change it to all files from here, but I want to test it through .txt. So here I'm just typing here raiguru.txt, which is the file name. So once I save, this name will be changed. Here, if I'm typing here, hi, this is Raigurukul. If I'm typing this text should be properly visible and people will be able to add it and modify it according to the permissions. Here, unless the file will be not save the final content, we can see the star mark should be available. So let's save it and you can see the star is removed from here. Now, if you want to create or open a new, we can see just clicking on the new, that should open a new tab. Now we want to launch exactly same which we have created. So go to the folder and launch the applications. That should again take not much time. Minimizing and maximizing options available from here. So we can, if you want to close, we can click it from here. Now here we can see line and column number. So if we have too much data, probably we'll see this line number and column will increase. The 100% is the total window sharing capacity of Notepad. And now we have open windows and then UTF-8. Now here we have new window open. If you want to open a new file of Notepad, we can select it from here. So these applications needs to be tested on each and every actions. If you want to print the options, once you'll click on the print, we can see this print preview options will be available. Even when we'll click on Control P, that should also run same pop-up to see the print screen. Now whenever we are typing, all the keywords and actions should be exactly working perfectly fine as per the Windows setting. So if this will be not working properly, like Control or Shift key or any other functions key, probably we have to reason defect, because Notepad is internal application of Microsoft. So here for testing this, we needs to verify each and every keyword sections or each and every keyboard buttons. So if we are verifying and we are fine with, that's no issues. Otherwise, if we found any keys are not working properly, then we have to report as a defect. Next is save as. If you want to save the this page with a different name, we can also see. And these are the shortcut menus like Control plus N, which is a new, Control Shift plus new, which will open in the new window. If you want to open any new file or existing file, we have to click on Control plus O. So whenever we are pressing, either we can go ahead with these shortcuts or we can select these options, we will be able to see exactly same window should appear. Now if you want to revert anything, so we have to press Ctrl Z or undo options. If we have selected anything and we are clicking this cut, copy and paste options should be enabled. So we can also use these options as a part of shortcuts. If you want to delete, simply click on delete button from the keyboard, or whenever we are clicking delete options from here, that should also delete it. So verifying each and every sections will be very much important, otherwise Notepad will be not certified. Now if you want to change the font size, color, then the font style, we can change it from here. So which will again needs to verify each and every sections or every tabs are available here. So these are the font style which needs to be tested, and as per the specification this text should be modified depending on this. So let's see, I will select this. I want to change the format, so I will click on font and just click on Cooper. Size will be 20. Click on OK and you can see this format will be updated successfully. So this is how we can verify. Even we can verify with the different text style sizes on the different sections. Now if you want to zoom in, zoom out, these options should also be available. Help section should open help menu where we can take in help from the Microsoft portal. Then we have about Notepad information, which is showing like versions, details, the title and Windows 10. So this is how we can verify and test this applications through manually, so that we can remove the defects or error from Notepad. So that's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.